know it might hold me back. I know this whole taking tabs.
This guy's 1 in 50 million. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, this is crazy. 1 in 50 million. Bro, this guy's like a celebrity, bro. I love Kendrick Lamar, bro. My glorious king right here. 1 in 50 million. You guys don't understand how rare that is. So I saw this game on what's it called, on TikTok. Oh, we can get weird stuff from this, right? I was like, oh my god, let me do this. Yeah, I'm here. That's how I'm here. My name is Miles Morales. But how do I roll? Oh, okay, that's how I roll. Comment. I want to equip this. Yeah, I'm a commenter right here. Yeah, I'm your average commenter until I reveal my true potential. That's better. They got natural 1 in 8. So guys, how the game works is the higher number is, that better. So 1 in 50 million. This guy's 1 in 50 million. So you know how rare that is, bro. So out of 50 million, you have to, that's how you got it, bro. So I'm trying to Ruby. So that's how you play the game. Come on, give me good. Oh shoot. Yeah, shoot. Two times luck. 2 times luck. Give me good. I see there's a parkour obby right here. I'm gonna try. Wait, no, wait. Stop right there. Stop. Wait, stop right there. Wait, she has super good. Are you serious? I want to see what her was. Oh, this is pretty good too. 1 in 60, wait, 7,000. That's good. Wait, look. She's falling. Jackpot. 1 in 777. Yo, I got jackpot. Wait, what's hers? She's falling, dude. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, bro. I just want to see what hers is, bro. Oh, rage. That's pretty good. That's decent. I opened this thing. How can I help you? What's happening? Wait, what's happening? Wait, I think someone. Yeah. Chance. So God boss has bounded chance in 1 in 200,000. Oh, this guy got 1 in 200,000. This is the guy. Wait, what? This is the guy. Oh, look, rarest stat 50 million. All you got 50 million, right? And this guy got it, dude. His name is Matrix. No, his name is Simon. He's on the leaderboard somewhere. Right there. He's number 4 on the leaderboard in this whole game. And he's in my game. This is in the world, by the way. In the world. He's number 4. And bro, he's right here. I must be tripping. My first game, bro. Oh, this guy got bleeding. This guy basically choso, bro. No. Wait, well, it's snowing. Oh, this guy got 1 in 4,004. So if I want luck love, I need common. Now I'm not getting commons, bro. What is this? The game hates me. Yeah, there we go. Oh, crystallized. Wait, I need that. Wait, no. Wait. Oh, I have that. I got it though. Yeah, let's see. Luck love right here. It's lucky. Oops. I got 25% more luck. I can't get crap, bro. This game is like actually depressing. Nah, that's not the good stuff. Oh my god, he flashed me. He just flashed me. Oh, that's just flushed. My bad. Wait, what just happened? Oh, dude, Diaboli. Dami Sentia San Diaboli, the secret of Divinas. Chance of 1004. I'm famous. Yo, what? I just found something. A lucky potion. Pick up. Use. Oh shoot, 100% lucky. Get out of here. It says 100% lucky. I'm not getting crap. I don't want any good. I don't want any common. I don't want any uncommon. I don't want any rares. I want something. First roll of the new day. Common. Oh, I got Daibuli. What's it called? The bully. Oh, she got the same as me. You got the same power up as me. If you mess with me, you gotta. If you mess with him, you gotta get through me. Oh my god. This guy's 1 in 2 million. Yo, this guy's 1 in 2 million, my boy. What's up? You trying to give it to me? Oh, wait, this guy's exotic. Exotic 1 in 999. You say you love me, then you wanna be my friend. Is that Miles Morales? Wait. Another glided? Whoa. I swear, luck in this game, like, it doesn't work. I swear. What? Wait, I keep getting glided. What? I keep getting the same one? Wait, what's going on? Whoa, this guy got some exotic. Oh yeah, he's on. Can you spare some change, my glorious king? Yes. Oh, stop jumping, stop jumping, stop jumping. Y'all ever heard about that monkey jump out of the bed? Oh, whoa, wait. Hey, how you doing, my fan lady? Yo, cheek. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious? Diaboli again, bro. Diaboli. Bro, I don't want this Diaboli still, dude. It's basically a comment in my eyes. Even though it's the best one I got. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah, please add trader, yo. Please add, that's crazy. Oh, no, you don't know about, you don't know. Wait, I'm about to pull up my Diaboli. Oh, let's see how they react. They should be like, wow, he had Diaboli. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god! Please! Oh my god! It's new! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it! I got it! Got it! I got it! I got it! I got it, bro! I got the sidemen. Yo! I got the sidemen. I'm not like one of them Diablo players now. I'm him. Like, imagine being Diablo. Like, the hell? No, this guy just said, if I could trade, I'll give you flush or something. I always get flushed. I said, keep your word if there's trading. Oh my god! Wait! Precious! Oh, my precious. My precious. Oh! I didn't get it. Join with the same people what were they trading at? There's a quest! There's a quest! Hi, I'm Lime. Cutie face emoji. Speaking of Valentine's, before I can give you it, I want you to do something for me first. First, acquire 300 rolls, 1 dividus, and 3 rubies. Accept. First person gets stuck in this tree in the new update. Alright guys, so I left it on over the night. Like I kept it rolling like this. I had like an auto clear. Yeah, I got bleeding, right? But I got look bleeding. See? I'm leading now. Yo, I'm second place in this server. Your number one is Skibidi type Sigma. And no wonder, no one. Alright, so I also completed this quest. I had a quest in the game. And I completed this. Let me cook. Oh, let me cook. Alright, wait. Here's your Valentine's gift. Ubu. Wait. Oh my god, don't do this. Another one? Wait. Oh my god. No way. What is this? Flush. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, dude. No way. 1 in 69,740. No. Oh my god. Bro, I got lobotomy, bro. I'll have a better reaction if it's like 1 midnight at my time, bro. Like everybody's sleeping right now, so I can like scream and stuff. Oh my god. Alright, that's it for day 4 or what day am I at? I don't know, bro. Yo, no, bro. This guy has impeached. No, I just hopped into a server. This guy has impeached. I don't know who this guy is. But this guy, oh my god. 200, 1 in 200 million. Are you serious right now? What is going on? Yo, that is crazy, dude. Y'all don't know how crazy this is. 1 in 200 million, bro. Everybody's freaking out. This guy said, what? Yeah, he's sweating and everything. Alright, anyways, update is, so, I got lunar somehow. I got undead, and I got solar. So, yeah, I got lucky. I don't know how. Now I'm gonna get this. I got it. Yeah, I also got undead. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, alright. Yo, I'm Sigma now, bro. Yo, bro, I'm verified. I'm verified now. Alright, anyways, I have to go. Let's go AFK now. For like, I don't know, long time.
Hand machine here. They don't know me, son. Get it. They don't know me, son. Get it. Who's gonna carry the boats and the lawns? That's you, buddy. Come on, 23. Come on, 24. One more, David. They don't know me, son. Get it. 18. They don't know me, son. Get it. 19. They don't know me, son. Yeah. 20. You got some more, son. 21. Yeah, get again. One more. Who's gonna carry the boats and the lawns? Most of the time, we knew the start endpoint. So on the way back, I started seeing people getting happy and shit because the end was near. But there was some.
Yo, I'm about to give this man back shots. But let me know if y'all want me to keep rolling and getting nothing. You know, let me know if y'all want part 2 of that. Yeah.